Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. If y'all will, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications for upcoming videos. I do post every week, so you don't want to miss out on any of those. Also, if you'll give me a thumbs up on this video and any others of mine that you watch, I would really appreciate it. Now we're going to get to the recipe. We're going to make some delicious garlic, cheesy, stuffed biscuits. Simple recipe. You just have to have 8 home-style biscuits that you buy in the refrigerator section at your grocery store. You're going to want to go ahead and separate those and then also separate them again. That way it makes 16. You're going to want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then you're going to grease a large skillet. And I am using a cast iron skillet. You can use a different type of skillet if you don't have cast iron. I just put butter in there and that'll keep these from sticking. You're also going to have some cheddar cheese. You can use whatever type of cheese that you like, but this is what we're using in ours today. I'm going to do 1.5 sticks of melted butter, which I went ahead and melted in my microwave. And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of garlic powder and 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning mix. Now you're just going to mix that together, and we're going to set this to the side here for a second. And we got our biscuits all ready to go. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take, if you have a brush, if you don't, use a spoon, it's fine. And you're going to brush the biscuit with this delicious buttery garlic mixture. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put cheese in the center and we're going to make balls out of these. Now, would take your rings off, which I've already done. Go ahead and take your biscuit. Just grab a little bit of cheese. There's no real measurement there, as much as you can fit in. And then what you're going to do is try to roll it all on up into a small ball. And then you're going to roll it in your hand and almost make it like a small meatball. And try to get the cheese stuck down inside. And then we're going to do another. We're going to do that to all of these, and then we're going to lay them in our skillet like so. All right, let's go ahead and do the next one. Like I said, there's no real measurement on the amount of cheese. You just whatever you can fit in the biscuit. And you want to make sure your biscuits are cold. You don't want to leave them set out before you start this. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and finish stuffing all these biscuits and getting them in my skillet, and then I'm going to show you what our next step is. Okay, y'all, we've got all of our biscuits stuffed with our cheese, and now we're going to go ahead and put some of this extra butter and garlic and Italian seasoning over the top of all the biscuits. You want to make sure you get down even on the sides. That way when they cook, it gets in all the nooks and crannies of these biscuits. And then we're going to put a little bit more cheese on. And then we're going to put them in our oven. It's going to be delicious. All right. Finish this. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more of this cheddar cheese on them. And you're just going to kind of sprinkle it over the top. All right, I want to make sure I get all the good butter on that. Okay, and we're just going to sprinkle some more cheese. And my oven's already preheated, and so I'm going to go ahead and get these in the oven. And we're going to put them in for 20 to 25 minutes. You want to check them around the 20-minute mark, and if they're not look doughy, then they're ready to come out. If they are, then you might want to leave them in an extra 5 minutes or so. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get these in the oven, and then we'll come back and show you what we're going to do before we serve them. Okay, y'all, as you can see, we've got our garlic, cheesy, stuffed biscuits out of the oven. They smell wonderful, y'all. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the rest of our butter and we're just going to brush it over the top just to put these a little bit over the edge, and it's going to be delicious. And then we're going to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on the top of this. If you don't have it, it's fine. I think it's just going to add another good taste to this bread. And then we're going to just garnish it with some parsley flakes just for make it pretty. I think these are going to be really good. I hope that y'all will try this recipe. Let me know how you like it. And of course, as always, I hope that y'all will subscribe to my channel and click on the bell because you don't want to miss out on any of the recipes that I have. I try to make simple, delicious recipes that your family will enjoy. And I hope that y'all have a wonderful day. And thank y'all so much for watching.